Hi guys, it's Lizzie from the Academy team and this is the OM System OM-5. OM System have said that this camera is designed for outdoor creatives, so let's take a look why. We've got a 20 megapixel live MOS 4/3 sensor with an improved TruePic 9 image processor. Improved 5-axis image stabilization, offering up to 7.5 stops, which is great for all you handheld shooters out there. We've got improved weather sealing as the OM-5 holds an IP53 rating, giving you that peace of mind that it will actually be dustproof, splashproof and freeze-proof. So this is perfect if you find yourself out in the elements. There's also improved focusing, specifically for the performance of the face and eye detection and accuracy. It now works better on smaller faces in the frame, as well as keeping focus at awkward angles like from side on. You've also got the option to prioritise a particular face in the frame too. When it comes to video, you can record 4K 30 and you also have the shooting options for slow-mo, up to 120 frames per second in full HD. If you like to grade your footage in post, then you can record in OM log 400. So you can capture all of the tonality of the scenes you're recording. There's a limitless recording time and you can now shoot vertical video, which will just save you time in enabling easy framing and shooting and sharing of all of your content for social media. Okay, so now I get why they say that the OM System OM-5 is designed for outdoor creatives. So I think one of my favourite things about this camera has got to be its general size and shape, and I know that I'm probably going to sound like a broken record when I say that it is classic mirrorless. I mean, it fits in the palm of my hand, it is super lightweight, especially for the setups that you can create. In fact, I know I'm going to sound like a broken record because I said the exact same thing for the OM1 earlier this year. But in my defense, that is what OM System do best. They haven't overcomplicated anything. They've stuck to what they know, which is small but mighty, take anywhere with you cameras. So what else do I love about the OM-5 apart from its size and weight? Well, it's an easy one. It's got to be its durability factor. I absolutely love knowing that a camera is going to be able to withstand all of the knocks, bumps and adventures that I want to take it on. And that's exactly what the IP53 rating will do. So the OM-5, as I mentioned earlier, is dustproof, freeze-proof and splashproof. Perfect if you are outside a lot and you never know what kind of elements you're going to be facing. And the other thing that OM System do really well is their supersonic wave filter. Now this basically vibrates the sensor so it will knock loose any bits of dust or dirt that do happen to get on there. And that, for me, is a dream because there's nothing I hate more than cleaning a sensor. As you'd expect from OM System, we have a camera packed full of features and shooting modes to make your life that little bit easier, such as live composite, for your easy breezy light trails, and Pro Capture so that you are sure you're never missing the moment. But they've also added in some new ones too, such as Live ND. So you can capture all those creamy water shots without the need for an actual filter on the front of your lens, as well as Starry Sky. So if astrophotography is your thing or you're looking at getting into it, this mode will make capturing it super easy. And then of course we have a favorite of mine, high res shot. This mode will allow you to capture a 50 megapixel photo handheld, so no tripod, or up to an 80 megapixel photo while using a tripod. Just imagine the detail you're going to get out of your landscapes with that. I've actually really enjoyed my short amount of time playing around with this camera, so if you'd like to find out any more information on the OM System OM-5, then head on over to jessops.com now or pop into your nearest store where one of our experts will be more than happy to help. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please give us a like. Don't forget to subscribe and smash that bell icon so you can stay up to date on all of our latest content. That's it from me. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.